So we have seen that doubling the angle at the bow, this is done when there is one light and nothing else is available. The time of light is noted when it is whatever angle at the bow, theta degree, we take that, and then we keep moving in that direction, and we note the time when the same light is 2 theta degrees at the bow, and that is doubling the angle at the bow. As we are seeing that LA and LB is the bearing, and when angle at the bow is doubled, theta is equals to theta to 2 theta degree, xy, which is the course of the vessel, and because if it this LBY is your exterior angle, which is 2 theta, so this will both be theta. It will become isosceles triangle, and we will get the uh, this distance will be equal, distance run will be equal to the distance from the lighthouse, and we'll get a position circle and bearing, and we can plot the vessel's position. Now next thing is similar on the basis of 4-point bearing, or you can say when theta is in doubling the angle, when theta is 45 degrees, that then it will be uh, 4-point bearing. So uh, one point is 11.25 degrees, so 4 points will be 90 degrees. So we take the time when the light is 45 degrees on the bow, and again when it is 90 degree, that is abeam. So as per the doubling the angle on the bow principle, the run between observation, that is the distance run by the vessel, will be equal to the beam distance. The beam bearing and the distance being known, because beam bearing will be 90 degrees from the ship's heading, and distance we will calculate by the run. So we can plot the vessel position. So one example is 30 and 60 degree for doubling the angle, and when it is 45 and 90 degree for doubling the angle, it is called 4-point bearing. And mostly the vessel is closest to the danger when abeam, that is your CPA, and that also we can find in this type of method. Even in for doubling the angle, sometimes you can get this to pass beam distance, or beam distance is given. You have to either find out or it is given. So then next is special angles. So when we cannot have the doubling the angle and we are not able to get, or we are, it's not possible, then we can have some special angles, that is whatever angles we get with the lighthouse. There are some set of angles. So what we have in this is the similar diagram. When the vessel is running, it observes a lighthouse which is at theta degree, and after some times again it observes the lighthouse when it is 5 degrees, and there is a beam distance. So if you have the beam distance and the beam bearing, it will become a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, we know from trigonometry that tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So uh, cot theta will be base upon perpendicular. So distance run from here to here is your, whatever distance run we can calculate by speed and time, and suppose it is x distance from this. So by, we know that cot theta is equals to run plus x, that is base, upon the beam distance. So we get this formula, and from this triangle again, cot phi is equals to again x upon beam distance. So we get this formula, that for cot theta is equal to run plus x upon beam distance, and cot phi is equals to x upon beam distance. So x is equals to cot phi into beam distance. So we replace here, and we get this cot theta minus cot phi is equals to run upon beam distance. That is our formula. So with this formula, and if theta and phi are chosen in such a way that cot theta minus cot phi is equals to 1. So these are some special angles in which cot theta minus cot phi becomes 1. So 1 is equals to run upon beam distance, or run is equals to beam distance. Such angles are called special angles, and the examples of such angle is 35 and 67 degree, 37 and 72 degree, and the vessel is at, when the vessel is at Q, the anticipated beam distance can be worked out. So once the vessel is at this angle, like here at 72 degrees, the beam distance can be worked out, and the bearing we know, so we can plot the vessel's position like previous methods. So these are all the set of angles which can satisfy the above equation when you can take as theta and v as phi. So 10 degrees and 12.08, if you do with this equation cot theta minus cos phi, it will give you 1. Similarly, 20 degrees and 29.78, 25, 41.14, 30, 53.8, 35, 66.82, and 40, 79.15.